Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can use the keyframe button in CapeCut. Alright, tap on your project, select your video or your photo you like to edit, and here I already have one project with the video. So how to use keyframe and how you can find the keyframe button. So you can find the keyframe button after you click on the clip, so appears the keyframe button. Alright, you can use the keyframe button for moving the frames, or just like to make the zoom in zoom out effect. So for example, I'm just going to add keyframe in the first frame and scroll, select the part you like to add the keyframe again, and adjust for the scale. Alright, you can add in another part, click keyframe and adjust for the scale again. So here we go, this is the final effect you'll have on your video with the keyframe. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I think this video, especially for those of you who are using CapeCut for the first time. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.